Removing Verizon bloatware from your phone can improve performance and boost privacy. Bloatware refers to pre-installed, often unwanted apps from Verizon. We'll focus on safe, non-root methods. First, uninstall user-installed apps through Settings. Go to Apps, see all apps, select the app, and choose Uninstall. Next, disable system apps like Verizon's Device Unlock or Cloud Services. This hides the app and stops it from running without deleting it permanently. For Verizon-specific features like VoLTE or Wi-Fi calling, go to Network Settings and toggle them off. Remember to back up your data before making these changes to avoid any loss. For more control, consider using ADB, Android Debug Bridge, for command line removal, or apps like Package Disabler Pro. However, proceed with caution, as incorrect usage can cause issues. Rooting your phone grants full control, allowing permanent deletion of apps, but it voids your warranty and carries the risk of bricking your device. Be aware that removing apps on carrier-locked phones may violate terms of service. The trend is shifting towards unlocked devices with less bloatware, driven by consumer demand and regulations. Android's modular design and increased transparency from carriers are making it easier to manage pre-installed apps. Expect AI-driven optimization to automatically disable unused features in the future. While full removal may become harder with emerging technologies like satellite connectivity, privacy laws could force carriers to offer bloat-free options, ultimately giving you more control over your device.